I have a cover for this microphone. It's kind of dusty. Maybe that's why I'm coughing. I'm just kidding. Ugh. I know whenever I cough, I'm like a toddler coughing. You're all getting cough, but it's not contagious. Isn't that good? It's not contagious unless I'm sick without knowing. Maybe I have something I don't even know, and I'm coughing, even though the cough isn't from what I have. But I'm still spreading the germs. I'm coughing on Hootsie. Hootsie's like the parrot I'm coughing on. It's okay. I'm using him to cover my cough so that it doesn't spread beyond myself and him. My goodness gracious. Goodness me. Golly gee. Leaping lizards. I'm going to sneeze. Excuse me. Bless me.